In this video, I will tell you how you can get and set up VPN on any Android device. First of all, navigate to your Play Store application right here. Then tap on this search icon like this. And right here type VPN. Then tap on this search icon like this, and right here you can see multiple VPNs. You can download and install any VPN you want to. Some are paid, some are free, so you can select any one. However, I will go for this one, Super VPN, since I can see that it has 100 million plus downloads, so I will install that. Simply tap on install and your installation will begin. Once the application is installed, simply tap on open and it will ask for few permission. Give those permissions, click on allow. If you want notifications, then tap on continue, tap on allow, and from here you can easily enable VPN. I will tap on connect, then tap on OK, and I can see that VPN has been connected. However, if you want to verify if you are connected to VPN or not, at the top you can see a small key icon which shows that you are connected to VPN. That's how you can easily get and set up VPN on any Android device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.